Hey guys, it's your girl Candy Boo back at you with another video, and this time, it's time for another review. So stay tuned and check it out. Okay guys, let's get to the review. This is AngelGrace hair from AliExpress, y'all. And I am rocking originally 3 20-inch bundles straight and a 18-inch closure, which I did chippity chop to, as y'all can see. And I added some color for those of you that didn't watch my how I dyed this video. Go check it out. And this is it. So here's an update on the colors. It has literally pretty much all the colors of the rainbow, and I just did it into a bob. Originally when I did this, I wanted hair to be a different color. I wanted hair to be darker, but when I did it, I wasn't really pleased with it. I was just like, I gotta change it to something else. So I flipped it and did it over, and I am very pleased with the result. Honestly guys, I've gotten so many compliments and stops on the street to be like, oh my goodness, who did your hair? What salon did you go to? And I'm just like, the salon of Candy Boo, y'all. The salon of Candy Boo. Did this myself. Yes, so I've gotten a lot of compliments, a lot of questions about the colors that I used, which I linked in my other video. So again, go check that out. Alright, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so my first impression when the hair came was really good. I was really pleased because it didn't have any smell, which is great, and it was really soft, and it's still, bouncy. As you guys can see, it has that volume. When you're doing a bob, you like your bobs to have a little volume. So I was very pleased with that. It was easy to work with. I got a closure. Closure is not that far. It's a standard closure. Yeah, so it's not that much in terms of how far it goes. It's not a 4x6, it's like a 4x4 standard closure, as I said. Also, in terms of color, I would say that this is the only problem I had with the color, is that it does not lift past this level of blonde. It does not lift past this level of blonde. So I couldn't really be, in terms of, as creative with the color I wanted to use, but I figured it out. It worked out anyway. It's still, good. So, and I bleached it twice, two or three times. I bleached it twice, I believe. Yeah, I bleached it twice, and it doesn't lift past this color. If I wanted to try bleach it again, I feel like I would ruin it, because it's still soft. I would say that it's still soft. I appreciate how soft it is, and it holds a curl. Like when I bump it, it holds the bump, and when I do my little swoop to the side, it holds that swoop. I would say that. I would say in terms of volume up here, whenever I try to go for a volume comb over, it doesn't get that high in terms of how high I want it to be. Yeah, it doesn't get that high, as you guys can see. But I do love the hair. I will say that they get points for that, and they get points because, again, when I bump this stay bumped. If I bump it and make a mistake and I bump it too much, I literally have to go in again to try and get that bump out, because it does hold pretty well. I just wish that it will hold at the top, though, is my problem. So it'll stay, curled at the bottom, but when I'm trying to get that volume, I even tried the method where I flip it over, kinda, to see if it would be high, but as you can see, it's still, still not that high. And maybe if I add some more holding spray, it'll probably be as high as I want, but that's not a big deal for me. You can always tease it. I just don't want to, really tease it. I don't want to have to do that. I just want it to have that natural thing. But it's a big transformation. I enjoy this hair. I honestly do. They really took time, and they did a good job. AngelGrace, you are good in my book. So that's how I feel. You guys see it. I am feeling like a cutie. Yeah, alright, whatever. So let's just get my final thoughts on this hair. Alright guys, final thoughts on this hair. Out of 10, they get a 7.5. Reason they get a 7.5 is because of my volume issue that I'm having here. And also because it doesn't really bleach past this color that you see here. It doesn't really bleach past that. But it took the other colors that I was able to put in really well. It's just that it can't really show as bright as I would want it to be because of it not being it not lifting towards what I want. But I would say it came from this level of black to these level of colors, so it does look really good in the sun and under proper lighting. It shows up a little. Like when I go outside, I get a lot of compliments, as I said, everyone like, oh my goodness, you look like a rainbow, or all that. So that's the reason why I would give them a 7.5 out of 10, which it's not that bad. I'm happy that it didn't come in any odor, and I was able to cut it, transform it into this bob today. Yeah, that's it. See that? It has a little life, little bounce. Because when you have your bobs, you want your bobs to be like hippity hopping, bouncing off the roof. So that's how I feel. AngelGrace, you were good in my book. I will leave the link below for y'all to get some bundles in and practice your own. I'd love to see if anyone does color of their own. Please, leave it in the comment section below, or tag me on any of my socials. They'll be listed in the description box below. Just let me know, guys. Let me know if you like this look, if you didn't like this look, what would you have done differently, if you would have done it the same. I love hearing you guys' feedback, so feel free to give it to me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my review. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and just let me know what y'all think. What if I don't reach home? What if I do? Call me when you get home so I know that you're safe. Bye.